Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda CX-5 2017 to 2020 years. Okay, it will come with special joystick. This is joystick will come with head unit joystick and special harness. This harness will come with head unit. Let me show this compass box. Let me show connector. You can check this long cable for Mazda CX5 special connector. Okay. The head unit comes with 2 SD card slots on top and a reset hole. It's built-in microphone. Okay. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can choose speed when you connect GPS. It will come with GPS antenna. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Mazda logo. Okay, when you back to home and choose logo, change the Mazda. You can edit this theme color. Any color you can edit by this panel. Choose red, blue, green, orange, and any color you can adjust. Let me choose red. Okay. All apps are here. You can check built-in DSP amplifier, Bluetooth, Google Maps, Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay, let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, button motion. You can check MCU version, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, model is CX5 109 Pi system. Okay. In back, check the storage. You can check this 64GB, ROM total 64GB. Okay. Built-in Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi. First, let me show the Bluetooth. This device name and pin number. Okay, let me open my phone. Firstly, please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth. Okay. Click search button to get the device. Click pair button. Your phone will get command. Okay, you can check. Please put 401234. Okay, it shows Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth from your phone. DSP amplifier, volume. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. There are two USB cables and our all-head unit supports USB hub, 1, 2, 3, 4 USB hub, and the switch. Button light we are on. Connect USB driver. It will play music automatically. Okay, it supports running Google navigation and music at the same time. Split mode. You can check video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car setting, driver setting, turn on the watch video, and play video game. It's supposed to send some 4K demo video, reward the word. It's 4K video. It also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you need it, we can build in it in head unit. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.